Hi everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to a beautiful morning, and we're on the Northeast 250 route in Scotland.
And it's stunning.
It's amazing. Now today we've got so many things to do, and one of the things we've got to do is we need to find something that's a bit mysterious. Do you want to tell them what it is?
So there is a pyramid on the northeast coast.
Yes.
So we're going to try and find it, but they don't actually advertise it.
Yeah, apparently it's quite like a private. There's Thor, everyone. Yeah, apparently it's quite like a private thing, and it's near Balmoral Castle, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's one of our missions for today. We're well camping tonight, so we need to find a spot. And if you didn't see last week's video, check it out, because the well camping spot that we found, it was unexpected, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But it was such a peaceful night staying. This is the area that we're in now, so we're taking Thor for a quick walk. So much to do today, guys, so we're bringing you guys along for the journey, so let's do it. For like a little walk, just to take Thor for a walk before we go exploring and do more travel on the Northeast 250 route. And we've been on this route now for an hour taking Thor for a walk, and it's just, we've had to actually say to ourselves, look, we need to turn round, because there's so many things that we're seeing and like
well, I didn't realise the place where we stayed last night, there's 4 different walks you can do, and 2 different locks.
Yeah, there's other places that we need to go. We need to get going, so let's go.
So last night we stayed at the Burnavat and we was allowed to camp there overnight, and it was lovely. Now we're on our way to Balta.
And look at that view there, just as we're turning in. Sorry, but we had to see that view. Right, where we're going now?
We're going to Balta and we're hoping to see the pyramids.
Yeah, we did mention it before.
But we've got to find it first.
But we've got to do a bit of exploring, because it's not like available. It doesn't like advertise it, if you like, that you can go to it.
But I've done some research and I've had some help of other people that have been.
Right, we've just parked up just over there in a little lay-by on the road. Now, we did find a car park that is just here. How much was it to park there, Brooke?
£10.
£10 when there's parking, on the road, so... We don't quite know where we're going, but Brooke spotted some armed officers, and Brooke just says she's going to go and ask them, so they're just over there. So go on, Brooke, do it.
Oh no, this one's more of this one here.
Oh no, she just said I'm going to ask them instead, so right, let's see what we get to. Right, we are in the right place, and they've given us some directions, but it's kind of like on the hush because for some reason they don't really want people to go visiting here, do they? So
well, there's a massive walk, a 3-mile walk you can do, and it's got multiple different pyramids, but they all start quite small, so they shut that at a certain time of the year because the road can get quite bad. But the big pyramid is open, so we can go see it.
So let's go and see if we can find it. Yes. A little snack break, and Thor's just had another water break. Again, exploring, just love it, don't we? Just been talking to someone, they said it's about another 10 minutes walk that way, so if you ever do come here from like at the beginning, it probably takes what?
An hour.
An hour, is that how long we've been walking, you think?
We started for, well, 40 minutes, sorry.
Yeah, about 40 minutes, but we've had a few breaks, haven't we? So So we're nearly there, nearly there.
I like dog walk and dog sit at home.
Right, so let's carry on going. So just want to say a quick hi to Mickey. Now, how many Mickeys watch this channel? So if you're called Mickey and you're wondering, wonder if you could talk about me, just thought I'd say, where are you? Because I'm with your cutie missus right now, and I know you're engaged and everything, but we're just having a really good chat about you, so where are you?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I took a bunch.
It was really great speaking to one of our subscribers, Charlie. You was right, it is very steep.
This is home for the night. So let me just show you what the view is here. It's a really, really nice place to stay here. It's got like benches and that, you know, that you can like chill out, and just another amazing place to stay. What do you think, Brooke? Oh, Brooke's already taking pictures.
Like it?
Yeah, taking a picture. For the Instagram, for the Instagram. Yeah, no, Brooke's not impressed. Oh, just look at that view though we've got for the night. Right, what we're going to do is we're just going to make some food. We're having, what are we having, Brooke? Right, what are we having?
We're going to have nachos and what are they called? Fajitas.
Fajitas, but we're not having the fajitas now. We're going to have some nachos and then just chill out for a little bit. So, yes. We're still having nachos, but we've decided we're going to have our Mexican food before that, so we can have the nachos as a snack later on. We've had to do the cooking, and there's a little bit of a breeze, and it's just enough that it's blowing and it won't cook. So, do you know what? Soon we're gonna have a kitchen unit here, so that I can stand here and I can put the cooker on top, and we're gonna have a cooker as well. So, but for now, we're gonna have to do it like this. Brooke and Thor have decided to come and sit out here now while I'm cooking, and Thor has got his aircon unit on.
So before we came away, we knew that there was going to be a heat wave, so we got a couple of these aircon units. They are brilliant, and Thor absolutely loves his as well. They're an electronic air conditioning unit that you wear around your neck. It goes up to 3 temperatures to keep it to get cooler and cooler and cooler, and it's rechargeable by USB. And for in the van when it's really warm, they are just brilliant, and it keeps Thor really cool, and he loves wearing it.
What they do is, I'll just like take it off, get a bit of a demo. So you turn them on, you've got like the different control settings like Brooke says, and it blows really cold like air out. And they're also a heater as well, you can have heat blowing out of them, and like Brooke said, they're fantastic.
If your pets can tolerate having them around the neck, it's perfect for hot weather. It just keeps them cool. Thor is so relaxed with it on. If anyone is interested, and we do recommend them, we'll pop a link in the description.
Now, that's ready, but the thing is, I cannot like cook the wraps and like you do the, you know, the speciality thing. So we're gonna switch round now, and Brooke is gonna do the wraps. So what I'm gonna do is put this on our famous red mat. If you don't have one of these heat-proof mats, check out the link below because these come in so handy. Guys, this is what it's all about. Well camping.
The heater wrap.
I was talking about that. Oh, check that out. You doing, Brooke?
Making nachos.
Let's do it.
We've had food and now it's movie time. See you in the morning.
Morning everyone. It's another bright sunny day, but the weather's supposed to change, isn't it, Brooke? And been having a chat. Now we had a really peaceful night's sleep here, so we've still got a week left to do like the route that we're doing. But we've been having a chat, and what we've decided we're going to do is we're going to stay here for another night, aren't we? But what we're going to do, we're just going to like relax, take it easy, and because if the weather does change, you know, we can go exploring sort of like, you know, whilst it's raining, and rather than going exploring today and trying to find somewhere, if it's raining, at least, you know, we can sort of like, you know, just go to different places and have a quick look. And while the weather's like this, you know, we're gonna like just stay here for another night. A view that we woke up to this morning. Yeah, what we're going to do is, so
10 different walking routes that you can do from here.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is, yeah, we're just going to get ready. Thor's just having his food and that. We're just going to get ready. The town is not far from here, so we're going to go into town and like maybe get a few like, bits and things, you know, that we need and that. But you know what, guys? All that we're going to be doing is going to be in the next video. So hope you've enjoyed today's video. We've still got so much more to do. We did a lot in this video, you know what I mean? We've had a really good time in this route, we're really enjoying it, but there's so much more to do. So if you haven't already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. It's free, guys. It really does help us to achieve more and bring you guys more and more excellent videos. So you got anything to add, Brooke, before we sign out? And
see you in the next one.
Thor's eating his food, so right guys, really appreciate all of you. Hit that like button, and until the next one, bye for now.